Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install Mozilla Firefox in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Open Google search engine and write here Firefox and press enter button. You will find its official website. Click on it. Now click on download Firefox. Your download being automatically. Now check the downloading, click on 3 dot on top right side and go to download section. Now click on show in folder. Now right click on this setup and run as administrator. Setup is installing. It will take some time, it's depend upon your PC or laptop speed. Mozilla Firefox is installed in your PC now. Now follow the instruction and complete the setup. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.